under the tutelage of Guru T.P. Nishant in November 2020. She was awarded the esteemed title of Sangeeta Visharad for exemplary performance upon completion of the diploma, and also received the Best Student Award for her performance at the certificate level, the 5th year certification, which was judged and awarded by Vidwan Shri Sriram Parsuram. Her involvement in Carnatic music is further motivated by her equally long-standing training in Bharatanatyam, which has driven her to further her musicality by learning Vinay under Sri Vinay Parthasarthi. Guru Aarti has just joined CIFA as a Carnatic vocal tutor. I welcome Guru Aarti to tell us a little more about her musical journey and start the workshop.
Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction, Ishita. So as you all know, I've just joined CFAS and it's such an honor to be here because I finished my 8th year diploma in 2020, which was just last year. And I was awarded the Sangeeta Visharad, which was completely unexpected in such difficult times. COVID was at its height then. And but the exam still went on, and that really shows the spirit of CFAS, if anything, because even though it happened and I still managed to somehow get the Sangeeta Visharad award from that. So very, very thankful to CFAS that I'm here right now and I'm able to deliver this workshop to all of you. So furthermore, I am currently learning Carnatic music under Sri A.S. Murali, disciple of Sangeeta Kalanidhi Sri P.S. Narayana Swami sir. And I am also continuing to learn from Sri N.R. Prashant, who was a tutor here at CFAS himself. I am also currently learning from Srimati Suguna Vardachari as of this Vijay Dasami. I am learning Vinay from Sri Veena Patsardi Mama and also from Jayanti Kumareshaka. So very excited to be here. And when I was asked to present a topic for this workshop, I couldn't think of any because I was asked to present for all age groups and all levels of experience alike. So I was thinking, what is the one thing that ties all of us together here? It's the fact that we are all interested in Indian arts and forms, and we want to have some kind of engagement with it in any way possible. So if we have this, if we have what is, independent and strong and India with so much free will right now, we have to, the first person we have to look at is Gandhiji. So Gandhiji is the reason we have independence here right now without as much bloodshed and violence as there could have been. He was the one who gave us Satyagraha, the non-violent movement, and showed us that we could persevere and we could strive for independence and we could achieve what truly rightfully belongs to us without there having to be unnecessary bloodshed and loss and tears and fight. So all of that perseverance, that good will come at the end of the day if we persevere and if we believe that our purpose and cause is right. Truth and goodness will persevere, and that is a very important message to take home, even now, especially in such difficult times in COVID, where a lot of us are not able to go back to India, and a lot of us have people back home who are struggling. But we should keep in mind that we will persevere and we will see through the end of this, and there is no better person to invoke than Gandhiji. So my workshop for today will be Ode to Gandhi, and I will be teaching all of you the very, very popular Kriti, the song Shanti Nilava Vendum, composed by Sri Setu Madhava Rao in Ragam Tilang. So the song that I will be teaching all of you is in Ragam Tilang, and I will also be giving a presentation in the Ragam Tilang so that you can be introduced to what the Ragam sounds like. I will be demonstrating a very popular Kriti, Sri Ganesha Charanam, composed by Sri Papanasam Shivan. A lot of you might have heard it, might have learned it even. So I don't know all of your experience. So I'd really appreciate if all of you could turn on your videos. I'd like to see all of you. Yes. So you might have heard, you might have learned Sri Ganesha Charanam, which is also in Ragam Tilang. So as I demonstrate that, I hope that the mood of the ragam and the mood of the song that we are going to be learning in a few minutes will be established, and we can learn Shanti Nilava Vendum after that. If all of you have Shruti boxes, I don't know your experience levels, but if you do have a Shruti box, I would encourage that you set it to F sharp or 4.5. That is the Shruti we will be singing today. Shri Ganesha Sharanam, Shri Ganesha Sharanam Gajanana, Shri Ganesha Sharanam Gajanana, Shri Ganesha Sharanam Gajanana, Devar Munivar Paniyum Dayakara, Shri Ganesha Sharanam Gajanana, Devar Munivar Paniyum Dayakara, Shri Ganesha Sharanam Gajanana, Devar Munivar Paniyum Dayakara, Shri Ganesha Sharanam. நாகாபரணனே நான்மறை போற்றும், நாகாபரணனே நான்மறை போற்றும், நாகாபரணனே நான்மறை போற்றும், நாகாபரணனே நான்மறை போற்றும், நாமனே பிரணவ ரூபனே நாகாபரணனே நான்மறை போற்றும், நாமனே பிரணவ ரூபனே ஜய ஸ்ரீ கணேஷா சரணம் கஜானன தேவ முனிவர் பணியும் தயாகர ஸ்ரீ கணேஷா சரணம். பாதம் நம்பும் ராமதாசவரதனே, பாதம் நம்பும் ராமதாசவரதனே, மோதக பிரியனே கௌரி சுதனே, பாதம் நம்பும் ராமதாசவரதனே, மோதக பிரியனே கௌரி சுதனே, அதிதேவன் அருள் இலையேல், அதிதேவனுள் அருள் இல்லையேல், அதிதேவனுள் அருள் இல்லையேல், வேதனும் மாலும் செய்தொழில் உண்டோ, அதிதேவனுள் அருள் இல்லையேல், வேதனும் மானும் செய்தொழில் உள்ளோ, ஸ்ரீ கணேஷா சரணோ கஜானன, தேவர் முனிவர் பணியும் தயாகர ஸ்ரீ கணேஷா சரணோ சரணோ சரணோ. So that was Tilang. Tilang is a very, very interesting ragam. So there are, if you had wondered, Sagama Pani Sa Sani Pamaga Sa. So this ragam is very special in that it has both the knees in it. Sagama Pani Sa Sani Pamaga Sa. So something this small can add so much flavor and identity to a kriti. Shri Ganesha Sharanam Gajanana. So the mood is immediately established there, and Tilang is one such ragam where it evokes that kind of, Karuna Rasa, they call it in Carnatic music or Bharatanatyam, where it evokes empathy, where it evokes a sense of longing, sense of, how Shanti Nilava Vendum is one such song where you have to develop your mental strength and mental capability. Shanti Nilava Vendum, Atma Shakti Onga Vendum. So they say that you have to develop spiritual strength. So Tilang is one such ragam where it evokes a sense of strength. And it shows the composer's genius that they choose ragams to to convey the meaning that they want to of the song, to convey that particular emotion that they want to the audience, to the singer, and the overall environment, to the overall environment and atmosphere. So we will be looking at Shanti Nilava Vendum, and not only will we be learning the Kriti today, I will be sharing the notation with you. And at the end of this workshop, we will begin to scratch the surface on how we can interpret songs using notations. So usually we rely on, gurus or someone to tell us, but once we reach a certain level, there are very, very rare songs that are given to us, and we have to, decode the notation on our own. So how do we go about doing this? If we are able to sing Shri Ganesha Sharanam, do we know the swaram of this? What is notation? It is swaram. Sa ga ma pa ni ni sa. Are we able to decode that? So that is a very important skill for any Carnatic musician, vocalist, or instrumentalist to know, so that later on in their advanced musical life, or when they are given a piece of notation from their guru, they're able to decode that and learn from it. So now we will be going to Shanti Nilava Vendum, which is composed in praise of Gandhiji by Setu Madhava Rao, who is the grandfather of very, very popular Mirdangist of current time, Sri Mushnam Raja Rao. Okay, so how we will go about this is I will need one of you to keep unmuting and singing, and I will tell you who has to unmute and who can sing and repeat after me, so that I know that we are all learning and on the same page. Is that okay? And see all of you. Okay. So I can't see your videos, Sudha, Ravi, and Nandini. Are you there?
Ma'am, my video's on.
Okay. Hi, what's your name?
Nandini.
Nandini. Very nice. Okay. Do you want to repeat after me? Do you have any experience with Carnatic music so far?
Yes.
Okay. What have you learned so far? Who have you learned from?
I've learned from Gayatri teacher.
Okay. Okay. In CFAS or elsewhere?
Sri Sen Pagar Temple.
Chandagavinayaka temple. Okay. Right. You can see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we have the notation here, and we'll be going over the notation as well as the sahityam, or the lyrics as they call it, so that we're able to make sure that we are on the same page with the swaram as well as the sahityam. So if I sing, for example, pani pa ma ga sa ma ga, we can immediately sing Shanti Nilava Vendum. Do you want to repeat after me? Shanti Nilava. Can't hear you. Nandini.
I think he went on mute.
Yeah. Nandini, could you unmute yourself if you're comfortable with singing and repeating after me? Okay.
Okay.
Right. Just try, okay?
Shanti Nilava.
Shanti Nilava. Shanti.
Shanti Nilava.
Vendum.
Vendum.
Good. Engum. So everywhere there should be Shanti, which is peace. Peace needs to be everywhere. So that is what they're saying. What did Gandhiji fight for? You know who Gandhiji is, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can I see your video? It's not on. Okay. So, Shanti is peace. Shanti nilava. Shanti needs to be there everywhere. So that's what Gandhiji said, right? That he wanted peace everywhere. And he achieved that in a peaceful way. So, Shanti nilava. I think Nandini's internet is not okay. Okay, that's fine. Pranav, do you want to unmute yourself and sing? Shanti nilava.
Shanti nilava
Vendum.
avendum.
So, pani pamagasa.
Mani pamagasa.
Samaga. Very good. Samaga.
Samaga.
Gama.
Gama.
Shanti nila. Nandini, you can sing next, okay?
Gama.
It's not okay.
Shanti nila.
Shanti nilava. Till here.
Shanti nilava
Vendum.
bhavendum.
First, Shanti nilava vendum. So, Shanti nilava vendum.
Shanti nilava vendum.
Good. Ulagile in the world. Ulagile.
Ulagile
Shanti nilava pani pamagasa samaga. Shanti nilava vendum.
Shanti nilava vendum.
Ulagile.
Ulagile
Good. Shanti nilava.
Shanti nila.
Shanti nilava.
Shanti nilava vendum.
Atma. Atma. Shakti onga.
Atma Shakti
Onga.
Onga
Vendum.
Vendum
Ulagile.
Ulagile
Very good. Shanti nilava.
Shanti Nilav
Shanti
Shanti
nilava.
Nilava
Vendum.
Vendum.
Very good. Does anyone else want to try? Nandini, you were waiting, right? Let's hear you. Pranav, mute yourself. Thank you. Okay. Nandini, your internet is poor, I think. Unmute yourself. Do you want to try? Shanti nilava. Try.
Okay.
Shanti. Did you hear what we were singing so far?
Yes.
Okay. Try whatever you can, and if you're wrong somewhere, I'll correct you. Don't worry. Shanti nilava vendum.
Shanti
Nandini, it's okay. Mute yourself. The connection is really bad. The connection is bad, Nandini. It's okay. Mute. Nithila, is that you want to sing?
I'm okay.
Okay, right. Shanti nilava. Nandini, mute yourself. Repeat after me, Nithila. Shanti nilava vendum.
Shanti nilava vendum.
Do you want to try? Were you hearing so far? Can you try to sing?
Okay.
Yeah, continue.
Shanti nilava vendum. எங்கும் சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும் உலகிலே
See, this is where notation is very helpful. You sang ulagile, but that's gamma gamma. If you can read notation, you will know. It says nisa nisa. Why am I singing gamma gamma? Nisa nisa ulagile.
உலகிலே
Shanti
சாந்தி
nilava vendum.
நிலவ வேண்டும்
உலகிலே
உலகிலே
சாந்தி நிலவ.
சாந்தி நிலவ
Continue.
வேண்டும்
Atma. Atma Shakti Onga.
ஆத்ம சக்தி ஓங்க
Vendum. You need to go until sa. Notations are that. Papa Mapasani. Onga Vendum.
ஓங்க வேண்டும்
Good. Ulagile. Same ulagile.
உலகிலே
Sorry. Shanti nilava vendum. Then you just finish there.
சாந்தி
Shanti.
சாந்தி
Very good. Nilava
நிலவ
vendum.
வேண்டும்
Okay, very good. Very good. Satya sir, do you want to do the Anupallavi? Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay, sure. Have you heard this song before?
No.
Okay. Okay. So it's considered a very, very important slogan, a very important message of freedom and independence in India. Yeah.
Yep.
So what they're saying is that Shanti Nilava Vendum. So that is considered in quotes. That's what Gandhiji said. Shanti Nilava Vendum. Then in the Anupallavi, they tell us that Gandhi Mahatma Kattalai Aduve. That was Gandhi Mahatma's slogan. That was what Gandhi Mahatma believed in. So Shanti Nilava Vendum is what Gandhi Mahatma believed in. That is what they're saying. Gama Gama Panini Gandhi Mahatma.
Gama Gama Panini Gandhi Mahatma.
Good. Kattalai Nisasa.
Kattalai Nisasa.
Good. Nisa Nisa Aduve.
Nisa Nisa Aduve.
Good. Gandhi Mahatma.
Gandhi Mahatma.
So Mahatma, you went until sa, but notation only says ni. Hatma Panini. Yeah.
Gandhi Mahatma.
Hatma.
Hatma.
The first ha you sang was correct. Hatma. Just stay on ni. Panini.
Panini.
Little lower.
Panini.
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 Hatma.
Hatma.
Kattalai.
Kattalai.
Good. Now that is sa. Kattalai. Now you're singing sa. Nisa sa kattalai.
Kattalai.
Nisa sa
Nisasa.
aduve.
Aduve.
Good. Gandhi ma. So that is the beauty of the composition. Now we have to appreciate and understand these nuances. So let me just sing the line. Gandhi Mahatma Kattalai Aduve Gandhi Ma. So I'm breaking it there. Aduve Gandhi Ma. So there is no continuity there. So Kattalai Yadave Gandhima. So they changed it a bit. Nipa Nipa Magama Gandhima. Are you all able to see the notation clearly?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So Nipa Nipa Magama. So instead of Gandhima, they changed it a bit to make it more continuous. Gandhi Mahatma. Gandhi.
Gandhi Mahatma.
Good. Kattalai
Kattalai
Aduve. Same thing.
Aduve.
So like as an artist, if you're able to understand the the structure, the grammar of the ragam, then you can make small changes, because a notation is supposed to be a skeleton. So if I just use the notation and sang gama gama pa ni sa sa ni sa ni pa ma gama, it's very flat. So when you keep learning more music, and when you are exposed to more of this ragam, more great veterans and great legends singing, then you begin to understand that there is so much more than a notation. Each note is living and breathing. Gandhi Mahatma. The notation doesn't tell me that. It just tells me which note to go to, not how to sing the note. Gandhi Mahatma. Just try.
Gandhi Mahatma.
Kattalai Adave.
Kattalai Adave.
Adave. That is.
Okay.
Adave.
Adave.
Correct. Karunai Samagasa.
Karunai
Otrum
Samagasa.
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 Where is ga? Gasa.
Okay. Samagasa.
Karunai.
Karunai.
Otrumai. So that is another very beautiful place where we see the flavor of Tilang come out. So when we go up, it's the big knee. When we come down, it's a small knee. So Otrumai, big knee, small knee. Otrumai, going up, big knee, coming down.
Otrumai.
Otrumai, good.
Otrumai.
Good. Kadiroli.
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 Paravi.
Kadiroli. Paravi.
Paravi. Gama panisa. Paravi.
Paravi.
Good. Karunai. Otrumai.
Karunai. Otrumai.
Otrumai. You have to come to pa.
Otrumai.
Kadiroli.
Kadiroli.
Paravi Shanti Nilava.
Paravi Shanti Nilava.
Vendum. Good. Yeah.
Vendum.
Good. Yeah.
Thank you.
So Arjun, is that you? Yeah. Unmute yourself. Let's do the charanam. Okay. Can you sing the Anupallavi once more? I think your shruti box is on the knee setting. Can you put it back on the sa or pa setting? Okay, good. Can you sing the Anupallavi again?
Okay.
Okay. Gandhi Mahatma.
Gandhi Mahatma.
Good. Kattalai Aduve.
Kattalai Aduve.
Very good. Gandhi
Gandhi
Mahatma.
Mahatma.
Kattalai Aduve.
Kattalai Aduve.
Kattalai is still Nisa. Follow the notation. Notation will tell you which note to go to. Kattalai.
Kattalai Aduve.
Very good. Karunai.
Karunai.
Otrumai. Going up, big knee, coming down, small knee. Otrumai.
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 Kadiroli.
Kadiroli.
Paravi.
Paravi.
Go to sa. It's a sa.
Paravi.
Very good, very good. Karunai.
Karunai.
Otrumai.
Utrumai.
Kariroli.
Kadiroli.
Paravi.
Paravi.
Shanti nilava vendum.
Shanti nilava venum.
Okay. When you think of Gandhiji, what comes to mind for you, Arjun?
The peace dove.
Oh, peace stuff. What peace stuff?
The dove of peace.
What are some important things? Do you know? Have you read about Gandhiji?
No, Mama.
How do you
Mama,
know? How do you know about Gandhiji?
Ma'am, I read Amar Chitra Kada stories.
Okay, good. Pranav, your brother sitting next to you, right? Can you let him sing the Charanam? Okay. Okay. Hello. You know about Gandhiji, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah. So very interestingly, also CFAS has opened its annex building in the Mahatma Gandhi Memorial Building. So and they opened it on the Gandhi Jayanti. So that was also another very, very important reason about why I chose this workshop, because I was informed of this workshop and I thought it was absolutely coincidental that, you know, that I received the information of the workshop on Gandhi Jayanti and I had to do something about that. So October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, we're learning Shanti Nilava Vendum now. So this is a kind of song where there is no age group or age limit to sing this song. If you're a beginner, you can sing this song anywhere. If you are an advanced, concert giver, then this is a beautiful piece to end and wrap up your concert with or your performance with. So this song will just shine through in any place that you sing it in, because anybody who understands the meaning, if you sing it clearly, anybody who understands the meaning will appreciate this song. And if you know the meaning, you can always educate them, which is why I'm telling you the meaning, the gist of the meaning as much as I can. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Kodumai seiti yor mama mama mama. Kodumai seiti yor.
Kodumai seitiyor.
Good. Manamad
Manamad
tiranda.
tiranda.
So that's another example. So this notation says da sa sa, which is very flat. Tiranda. There's not much that comes through from tiranda. That brings out tilang. Tiranda.
Tiranda.
Good. Kodumai seiti yor.
Kodumai seitiyor.
Manamad tiranda.
Manamad tiranda.
Nargunamad.
Nargunamad.
Pugatiduvom.
Pugatiduvom.
Madamayacham arupom.
Madamayacham arupom.
Makkalin.
Makkalin.
Masila.
Masila.
Nallozhukam.
Nallorukam.
Valarpom.
Valarpom.
Let's do this again. Kodumai seiti yor. Mama mama mama.
Kodumai seitiyor. Mama mama.
How many mas are there? Mama mama mama.
Mama
6 mas. Mama mama mama.
mama mama.
You're missing the fourth ma. Mama mama mama. Just like the Sahityam. Kodu mai seiti yor follows the exact thing. Just sing the Sahityam. Kodu mai seiti yor.
Kodumai seitiyor.
Manamad tiranda.
Manamad tiranda.
Tirunda. See that glide from ga, ga, ma, ga, sa. All that won't be given in the notation. So you need to listen to so many amazing renditions. D.K. Patamal Amma's Nityashree's grandmother. D.K. All of you know Nityashree Mahadevan. I don't know if you know D.K. Patamal. So she was Nityashree Mahadevan's grandmother, legend. You know T.M. Krishna. Most of you know T.M. Krishna.
Yeah.
Unni Krishnan has sung this. Sudha Raghunathan. You name it. Performing artists, the leading artists of today have sung this song. So you can always go onto YouTube. We don't have any shortage of knowledge and information these days. So like I've heard from my gurus that, in the olden days, they would have to go to a concert physically to be able to listen to things. Nowadays, it's not like that. So you just type out Shanti Nilava Vendum, you will get about like 100,000 results. And you get to pick and choose the kind of information that and song and rendition that you want to listen to. So we should make use of that. Kodumai Seiti Yor
கொடுமை செய்தியோர்
மனமது தீர்ந்த
மனமது திறந்த
நற்குணமது
நற்குணமது
புகட்டிடுவோம்
புகட்டிடுவோம்
மடமை அச்சம் அறுப்போம்
மடமையச்சம் அறுப்போம்
மக்களின் மாசிலா
மக்களின் மாசிலா
நல்லொழுக்கம்
நல்லொழுக்கம்
வளர்ப்போம்.
வளர்ப்போம்.
So a kind of just meaning of this is kodumai seittiyor. So people who do evil things, people who commit sins. So manamadu tirunda. So we have to preach good things to them. We have to preach good conduct to them. So that is what Gandhiji believed in. He didn't believe in going and killing people and there to be war and people's lives to be lost. He believed that through non-violence he could achieve. And there was a lot of influence on the British colonizers because of that. Because of his non-violence, because of his resistance, it did provide a lot of setback to the British rule, which was an important reason why we got the independence that we have today. India is one of the biggest democracies in the world, and we have Gandhiji to thank for most of it, right? Yeah. So he's saying Nargunam adu Nargunam, good doing, good behavior, good conduct. Nargunam adu Pugattidum, we will preach to them. Madamai Acham Arupo. So people, a lot of reason why people are scared or why people were colonized and why people believed that the British had to rule them was because they didn't know better. Gandhiji came and told them that, look, we don't have to be under the rule of Britishers. We can be an independent country. So he made sure that people were not ignorant, people were not scared. And he led people towards a path of knowledge. Madamayacham Aruppom. We will remove Aruppom. So even the words are so self-explanatory, right? So Aruppom sounds like something you're destroying. Aruppom. Madamai Acham Aruppom.
மடமையச்சம் அறுப்போம்.
மக்களின் மாசிலா
மக்களின் மாசிலா
நல்லொழுக்கம் வளர்ப்போம்.
நல்லொழுக்கம் வளர்ப்போம்.
And he's saying Valarpom, which means we will do. Just because we have independence now doesn't mean that, okay, bye, yeah, everything Gandhiji said was done and over, so we can go back to our old ways. That's not true. So we have to take from example. How did Gandhiji achieve all of that? We have to take that into our lives. Now that we have independence, we can achieve bigger things. Independence is no longer on our minds. Independence Gandhiji achieved and gave to us. Now we can look at bigger things. Now we can look at how to lead a life of good conduct, lead a straightforward life, right? And how we can help others also be on the path to that. Right. So does anybody else want to repeat last two lines? So it's choice. Nithila, okay. Nandini, I want to make you repeat, but your audio has a lot of lag. Are you repeating? Are you understanding so far?
Yes.
Okay. Your audio is better now. Do you want to try?
Okay.
Okay. Didam tarum ahimsa. Gama gama panini.
Gama gama panini.
Good. Didam tarum ahimsa.
Dida tarum ahimsa.
Didam tarum ahimsa. Didam ahimsa is non-violence. Didam tarum. So everybody was, made stronger. So people think that only if you go to war and you fight and you're a soldier, you're strong. But Gandhiji showed that, with non-violence also comes strength and comes resolve and resilience. Didam tarum ahimsa.
Didam tarum ahimsa.
Yoginam, he was a yogi because he did so much penance and meditation, and about the Dandi march, right? Like he lived without anything. He hardly had any possessions. His sole purpose and motive was to fight for independence and civil rights of India. So he was a yogi. He was considered a yogi. Yoginam.
Yoginam.
Tandai is father. We have to consider him a father. He is father of India, right? Father of our nation is what Indians call him. Yoginam Tandai.
Yoginam Tandai.
Very good. Didam Tarum Ahimsa.
Didam tarum ahimsa.
Yoginam Tandai.
Yoginam Tandai.
Atmanandam, another place where you can see the big knee and the small knee. You're going up to the big sa, to the sa, so big knee. Atmanandam, small knee. Atmanandam.
Atmanandam.
Atmanandam. Try that. Nandam.
Nandam.
Very good. Terave.
Tarave.
Perave.
Terave.
Ni saga saga. Notation is telling you. Terave.
Terave.
Very good. Kadamai.
Kadamai.
Maravom.
Maravom.
So this is what I was saying just now. So kadamai is duty. Kadamai maravom. We cannot forget our duty because our kadan tirpom. We owe him so much. We owe Gandhiji so much. If we are able to be born in as Indians into a free country, at least if we weren't born in India, at least our ancestors, our parents were born into a free India. Why? Because we owe him. We owe him the independence. Our kadan, we owe him. We have a debt towards him. Kadan is debt. Our kadan tirpom. We'll give him back what is due to him. We have to give him back what he owes, what we owe to him, right? Our kadan tirpom.
Avankaram tirpom.
Our kadan
Avarkadan
tirpom.
tirpom.
Kalangamil aram.
Karangalam alam.
Kalangamil
Kalangamil
aram.
aram.
Valarpom.
Varalpom.
Good. Let's try from Didam Tarum. Didam Tarum Ahimsa.
Didam tarum ahimsa.
Yoginam Tandai.
Yoginam tannai.
Atmanandam.
Atmanandam.
Atmanandam. Try to do that glide. Nandam.
Nandam.
Very good. Perave.
Tarave.
Perave. We have to perave, to get, to imbibe, to receive. Perave.
Tarave.
So Didam Tarum Ahimsa Yogi Nam Tandai. So ahimsa is the only thing that can give us Atma Anandam. So Atma Anandam is a very heavy word. Atma plus Anandam. Atma is soul, our mind. Atma Nandam, happiness of our mind can only be achieved if we go through the non-violent path. Suppose you go through the violent way and there is so much bloodshed. All of you must have heard of Mahabharata and the battlefield, Kurukshetra and all of that. There was so much bloodshed. Was anybody happy at the end of it? Pandavas won the war. Were they happy though? They also had losses on their side. Exactly, Arjun. They were not happy.
Their guru was also dead.
Yes, everybody who mattered to them was dead. So, only with the path of ahimsa, non-violence, you can truly be happy. You can get atmanandam, not just happiness. But you can tell people you are happy, but you won't be happy. Atmanandam is when you know you are happy. Atmanandam perave. To get this kind of happiness, ahimsa is the only way to go, is what Gandhiji told us. Atmanandam
Atmanandam
perave.
Tarave
Perave. Perave. To get.
Terave
Good. Kadamai maravom.
Kadamai Varango
Maravom. We won't forget. Kadamai.
Kadamai
Duty. Kadamai
Kadamai
maravom.
Maravom
Avar kadan.
Avadkadan
Tirpom.
Deepom
Good. Kalangamil.
Kalangamil
Aram.
Adam
Valarpom.
Varalpom
Valarpom.
Varalpom
Good. Kalangamil aram.
Karangamil Alam
Aram.
Adam
Valarpom.
Varalpom
Then engum shanti nilava vendum. You go back to that. Sing.
Shanti
So you have
Nilava
to start with engum. Valarpom. Engum everywhere. Engum. Everywhere. Engum shanti
Engum Shanti
nilava vendum.
Nilava Vendum
Then second line also. Atma Shakti Onga
Atma Shakti Onga
Vendum
Vendum
Ulagile
Ulagile
Shanti Nilava Vendum.
Shanti Nilava Vendum
So when you finish, Engum Shanti,
Engum Shanti
Engum Shanti,
Engum Shanti
Engum Shanti,
Engum Shanti
Gasa Shanti. Go to Ga.
Shanti
So
Shanti
what you sang is correct. Just make that a bit longer. Shanti. Because you're finishing. So it has to be like a finale. If you say Shanti.
Shanti
Correct. Because if you say Shanti, and if you stop, people won't know you finished. You won't get applause. Okay? Right. So, does anybody want to attempt to sing this song fully? Pranav, I saw you looking. Nithila, you want to try? Very good. Try. No judgment here, okay? We're all learning. Even as I was teaching all of you, I learned a lot of things. There were a lot of Sangadis that I didn't know, and I saw this notation now and I learned it, okay? So there's no judgment here. If you're wrong, it's fine. Try.
Shanti Nilava Vendum
1 second. Shanti. Just try sticking to Shruti. Shanti.
Shanti Nilava Vendum Engum Shanti Nilava Vendum Ulagile Shanti Nilava Vendum Atma Shakti Onga Vendum
Vendum. See, it goes to Sa. Papasani Vendum.
Vendum வேண்டும்.
Good. Anupallavi? Gandhi Mahatma.
காந்தி மகாத்மா கட்டளை அதுவே. காந்தி மகாத்மா கட்டளை அதுவே.
கருணை.
கருணை ஒற்றுமை கதிரொலி.
கதிரொளி.
கதிரொலி
பரவி.
பரவி.
Sing the last line again. Karunai.
கருணை ஒற்றுமை கதிரொலி பரவி.
Shanti. Always come back to the Pallavi. Shanti.
சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும்.
Very good.
எங்கும் சாந்தி
If you
நிலவ.
just sing Shanti Nilava Vendum, it's enough. Shanti Nilava Vendum.
சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும்.
Charanam quickly. One time. Each line.
கொடுமை
Kodumai Seitiyor.
கொடுமை செய்தியோர் மனம்
Good. Manamada. Good.
நமது தீர்ந்த நற்குணம்.
Nargunamadai.
நற்குணம் அதை புகட்டிடுவோம்.
Pugatiduvom Pamaga. Just follow the notation when you're in doubt. That's it.
புகட்டிடுவோம்.
Next line. Madamai.
மடமை அச்சம் அறுப்போம்.
It's only in pa. Gama gama pa ma pa pa. Madamai acham aruppom. That's it.
மடமை அச்சம் அறுப்போம்.
Makkalin.
மக்களின் மாசிலா.
Masila panipama.
மாசிலா
Manipamagasa nallolukam.
நல்லொழுக்கம் வளர்ப்போம்.
Gamapa. Go to valarpom. That's it. Just stopping there. Valarpom.
வளர்ப்போம்.
Good. Last two lines.
திடம் தரும் அஹிம்சா
Good.
யோகி நம் தந்தை.
Excellent.
ஆத்
Yes, Pranav, you had it out.
Pranav doesn't have a doubt.
Atmanandam.
ஆத்மானந்தம்
Perave is going to ga. How will you go there?
பெறவே.
Perave.
பெறவே.
Good. Last line. Kadamai.
கடமை மறவோம்.
அவர் கடன் தீர்ப்போம்.
அவர் கடன் தீர்ப்போம்.
கலங்கமில் அறம் வளர்ப்போம்.
கலங்கமில் அறம் வளர்ப்போம்.
Excellent attempt, Nitila. Very good. So, we're reaching, I think we're crossing time now. So, unfortunately, all good things must have to come to an end. I wish we could continue singing and learning today here. I think to conclude this workshop, I will record the song once for you. You can turn on your recording devices, audio recording if you require. And I will sing this entire song once for you so you can go back home and practice, because I would love for all of you to be able to practice this song and sing it. And, you know, make this, you know, spread the word and spread through the world like how Gandhiji wanted. So symbolic of his gesture, we will do this. Okay. So I'm going to start singing now. Shanti Nilava
Ma'am, can you wait? I'm not done.
Okay. But we're running out of time, Arjun. So you just start. I'll do some repetitions. It's okay. Shanti Nilava Vendum. எங்கும் சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும். உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும். உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும். ஆத்ம சக்தியோங்க வேண்டும் உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும். காந்தி மகாத்மா கட்டளை அதுவே, காந்தி மகாத்மா கட்டளை அதுவே, காந்தி மகாத்மா கட்டளை அதுவே. கருணை ஒற்றுமை கதிரொளி பரவி, கருணை ஒற்றுமை கதிரொளி பரவி சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும். கொடுமை செய்தியோர் மனமது திருந்த நற்குணமது புகட்டிடுவோம். கொடுமை செய்தியோர் மனமது திருந்த நற்குணமது புகட்டிடுவோம். மடமையச்சம் மறுப்போம், மக்களில் மாசிலா நல்லொழுக்கம் வளர்ப்போம். திடம் தரும் அஹிம்சா யோகினம் தந்தை ஆத்மானந்தம் பெறவே. கடமை மறவோம், அவர் கடன் தீர்ப்போம், கலங்கமில் நரம் வளர்ப்போம். கடமை மறவோம், அவர் கடன் தீர்ப்போம், கலங்கமில் நரம் வளர்ப்போம். எங்கும் சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும், ஆத்ம சக்தியோங்க வேண்டும், உலகிலே சாந்தி நிலவ வேண்டும். எங்கும் சாந்தி, எங்கும் சாந்தி, எங்கும் சாந்தி. Hope you all enjoyed this workshop, because I really enjoyed being here today teaching all of you this song that is so dear and so close to my heart, that I learned probably about 15 years ago. And revisiting this song, for this workshop really brought back some very, very precious memories. So thank you so much for the opportunity for giving me this opportunity to present this and teach this song to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Aarti. We enjoyed this workshop.
Thank
and
you so much, Satya sir.
you made us to make an attempt. That's really impressive.
Of course. You do not need to be like, a well-versed singer or something to feel the emotion and really, give your all to this song. It's really the emotional content that matters, and especially in songs like these. So I'm really thankful that you're here today and you were able to attempt this.
Thank you, Aarti, and all the best, the kids. Enjoy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Aarti Akka. It was very informative.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Shifa, for organizing. Thank you, madam.
Thank you so much. Thank. Bye.
Bye.